Hello everyone, this is Oliver from Restaurants. I'm very glad to see you to see my video. If you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and give me some support. And today I want to show you how to save feed cost for poultry feed meal and how to replace some alternative material to the old materials. That's all for today.
Hello everyone, this is Oliver from Restaurants. I'm very glad to see you to see my video. My name is Oliver. Today I want to show you how to save feed cost for poultry feed meal and the alternatives to our materials plan. The PPT has three contents. The first is the understanding of the feed meal cost composition. The second is the feed cost analysis and alternatives to all materials plan. The third is about application by seeders to reduce feed cost and improve the growth performance. Let's start the first part. Understanding of the feed meal cost compensation. As we all know, feed cost has become the first important thing for feed meal. Reduce feed cost contains 6 points. The first is the raw materials cost. It belongs to the purchase department. The second is about the quality cost. It belongs to the quality control department and the technical department. The third point is about the manufacturing cost. It belongs to the production plant. The fourth is the sales expense. It belongs to the sales department. The fifth is the reduced logistic cost. It belongs to the logistic department. The sixth is about the service cost. It belongs to the after sales service and sales department. Then I will show you the composition of the feed mill's product strengths. How to value our product is one good product. And in our aspect is how to value our feed is the best feed. It contains 6 points. The first is the good concepts. The second is the good formula. The third is good raw materials. The fourth is good production. The fifth is the good quality control. The sixth is the good feeding. And the product strength also have 3 points. It's the value sourcing improves the efficiency and value added service. Then I will show you the value manifestation of the different departments in feed mill. The first is the production department. It's like our hands. This department is the generate the value. That means how much our feed worth. The second is the sales department. It's like our hands and feet. This department realizes the value. That means how to make money and how to earn we can. The last one is the finance and quality and the technical department. These 3 departments like our brains. It optimizes the value. That means how to earn. Then I will show you the changing trend of the operating profits of the feed mill. Decrease the profit margins. Increase the raw material cost. Increase the employee wages. Increase the market competition. So now we are in the low profit time. In the plant economic time, The selling price is cost plus the profit. Now, in our market economy, the profit is selling price minus cost. So, the trend has changed. How can the feed factory get more benefits? Is a plant the market share, increase the sales quantity and reduce the cost. The second, improves the product value, improves the product competitive. The third improves the employee welfare, reduce the emissions and quality cost. The fourth is the procurement and use of raw materials value, reduce the formula cost. And the last one is to improve the production efficiency, reduce the production cost. The second part is the feed cost analysis and alternatives to materials plan. The main factors affecting feed cost. The first is in terms of material procurement. For example, the corn, soybean meal, bran, rice bran, etc. The second is the formulation technology, nutrition level, material procedures, raw materials database, value raw material use. The third is the quality cost, supply chain cost, financial cost, production, packing, transportation. The fourth is the feed meat retail requirements, maintenance value, health, breed, piglet quality. The fifth is the PSV, MSV, weight requirement, maintenance level, variety health. The sixth is the performance evaluation. And then I will to show you reduce feed cost and increase the benefit, alternative raw material selection. The most common alternative energy feed. For example, the corn alternative high energy raw materials, aged grain, green wheat, barley, sorghum, rice, broken rice, pea, broad bean, green by-products, polishing powder, rice bran, sugar residue, food residue, and etc. The second is the fat substitute raw materials like fat residue, molasses, phospholipids, etc. have the high energy and high use value. The second part is the most common soybean meal alternative protein feed. Rapeseed meal, for example, in United States and Canada, we can use the rapeseed meal. And in Russia, Ukraine, and other regions, we can use the sunflower meal. It's alternatives to all materials. Wheat instead of corn. 20% wheat is the same 60.5% corn plus 3.5% soybean meal. And the rice instead of corn. Replace 30% to 50% of corn, non-starch, polytyrate added. The third is the brown rice instead of corn. It can also replace some pigment. This is the formula for using the wheat instead part of and for of the corn. We can see the cost of the formula is for the half wheat bushel have feed cost about 160 yuan. For the wheat bushel have feed cost is more than 300 yuan. This is also one formula. Adding bile acids, selecting all multicolors reasonably, optimizing formula and reduce feed cost. This is also a complex feed for laying hens. Through these two formulas, we can see that after adding bile acids, we have reduced some raw materials and save the feed cost. The third part is application bile acid to reduce feed cost and improve the cost performance. Based on long-term research and development and trials, define the nutritional values of bile acid on poultry, set up database. Poultry metabolic energy can replace 5 to 8 kg of oil per ton feed, 30% bile acids. That means 150,000 calories per gram. The dosage is for adding in the feed. The dosage is 200 gram to 300 gram per ton feed. Then I will show you application schema of bile acids and on reduce feed cost and improve the cost performance. The first, bile acids promote fat digestion and absorption, save energy, which can reduce addition of oil. 200 grams of 30% bile acids is same 5 to 8% kilogram of oil and directly replace the supplemental lipase and emulsifier etc. and reduce feed cost. The second, bile acids promote the absorption and utilization of the fat-soluble vitamins, which can appropriately reduce the amount of the fat-soluble vitamins by 10% and save feed cost. The third, bile acids promotes the pigment absorption, improve the coloring effect, and reduce the amount of added pigment by 13 to 50% and save feed cost. For the broiler feed manufacturer, the first, it reduce feed cost and improve the cost performance and stabilize the feed quality. Effects of bile acids: the first, replace oil. The second, reduce metabolic energy. The third, moderately reduce protein level. The fourth is adjust the components of all materials, optimize formula and reduce feed cost. The second, the balance feed cost, saving energy and optimizing performance, improve product performance and improve the product market competitiveness. Then is for the integrated broiler enterprises. The first, reduce feed cost and stabilize the feed quality. The second is balance feed cost, saving energy and optimizing performance. improve the production performance, improve the benefits. The third, increase the feed cost, improve quality and performance, reduce the comprehensive production cost, improve slaughter rate, yield rate, and improve the comprehensive benefits. Overseas market cost per kilogram meat (FCR) for China market, for example the CP group. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like our channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. That's all for today.